I heard that this machine is very rare. It's only in Hong Kong. In Asia, it's only in Hong Kong and Japan, right?
That's right.
And in Germany.
Germany, there is one as well, but yes. So in this area, we're one of the few centers that have managed to acquire this sort of wonderful device. So it's very exciting.
No, I'm looking forward to try it out. No, this is very exciting, Dr. Chen. Can you explain a little bit about this SDT?
So SCT stands for Sonodynamic therapy. And it's really exciting technology. There's 158 ultrasound probes in this water. And beforehand, we dripped the chlorophyll-based sensitizer under the tongue.
What is the reason for that?
It's specially designed so that it's absorbed only by abnormal cells in the body.
Oh.
So what I mean by abnormal cells is that cells that have the potential to become pre-malignant, and because we're forming them all the time.
Okay.
And also cells that have stopped replicating, but the body can't clear them, what we call senescent cells or zombie cells. So the sensitizer is only absorbed by these abnormal cells, so it's of a specific frequency that can differentiate normal cells from the abnormal cells.
In a way, are you saying that this is anti-cancer?
Well, of course, it's very difficult to claim that, but yes. That's the purpose. In fact, the original function of this was actually to support cancer patients.
Right.
But there's a different sensitizer. It's more intensive. When we're talking about anti-aging, longevity, healthy, then it's just maintenance. It's just to clean up some of those
Take away
cells.
the abnormal cells.
Exactly.
So what is the frequency of, when you want to start this treatment? How often should one do it? And then how to maintain?
So for longevity, it might be every 6 months. And each treatment cycle is for 5 days. So it's like Monday to Friday.
So you have to come every day?
Yeah, only for like an hour. So you're in the bath for about 30-40 minutes.
Okay.
So for a week.
Okay.
That gives a good cleanup, it gives maintenance.
Right.
And ideally we do that at least once or twice a year.
Okay. Dr. Chen, compared to other parts of the world, is Hong Kong doing well in terms of health and wellness?
Actually, surprisingly, Hong Kong people rank first around the world globally for life expectancy.
Yeah, right.
So there must be something that we're doing right here. I think the Achilles heel, one thing I find a lot in Hong Kong is that the stress is very high. And so often we measure it on saliva, whether it's on blood, urine, or saliva. And we often find the cortisol level is super high. So if there's one area that Hong Kong people could work on is to manage stress, decrease stress, and make sure they have that in their day-to-day life, that there's something that's nurturing and that's helping to calm down those stress hormones. Because sometimes I find particularly busy people, they're running on adrenaline and cortisol all day. And then they go and hit the gym or they hit the treadmill, which is more
adrenaline.
That only ages us faster.
Yeah.
So in fact, they're better off doing something calming, whether it's yoga or Pilates or Qigong or breathing meditation, something to calm down those stress hormones.
Yeah, I've actually been advised to do meditation and yoga, but I was telling you that I'm ADHD, right? So I overcome, I want to do things quickly all the time, and I'm very active, It's very hard for me to calm down, actually. That is my problem.
Yes.
And then my sleep quality is not good because I'm thinking all the time, I have new ideas, and when I think of a new idea, I have to get up and do something about it, So that is my problem.
Yeah.
Sleep is my only problem.
Yes.
Yeah.
So your kids are obviously all grown up.
Yeah.
But if they were younger, when they were small, and they said, "Oh, I'm really not good at English, Dad," what would you say to them?
Actually, I never thought of this problem because my son left Hong Kong when he was 8. He went to boarding school when he was 8.
Okay, not English.
So Chinese is the problem, right?
Okay,
so
Chinese.
the other way
I'm not
around.
gonna
The other way
Chinese.
around. So I would send them to, I send them to Beijing
Yes.
every summer holidays
Yes.
to learn 普通话.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. So likewise, if we have if sometimes what we find hard is actually where we have the most benefit.
Yeah.
So maybe there's a meditation retreat that you can go to build up on this skill.
Yeah. I hope so. I hope so. I hope one day I can calm down and do some meditation.
Because lots of people are very creative and very who have ADHD because their minds, they have wonderful ideas, and yet they also complain they cannot sleep.
Yeah.
And sometimes I say to them, well, start off with cardiac coherence. And cardiac coherence was designed by cardiologists who found that if you follow this ball for 5 minutes, it calms down the heart rate, calms down blood pressure, and reduces heart disease.
Oh, okay.
And of course, the Indians were saying, well, we've been telling you this for millennia.
Yeah.
But it's a useful tool if you ever have chance to look at it, called cardiac coherence.
Yes.
And it's the recommendation is 365 to do 3 times a day, 6 breaths per minute. So we follow this ball that goes up and down, so in and out.
Yeah.
And only 5 minutes.
Oh,
so it's only 15 minutes a day.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, that's a good advice. I'm going to try that. 15 minutes a day is fine.